What is up, everybody? Sven Diesel here. We've got an unboxing video. I'm pretty excited about this. It is a product from Lone Bison Fly. Their Instagram is at Lone Bison Fly. It's a product that when I first started chatting with Chris, I wasn't too keen on because I've since kind of moved away from it. But after checking out his Instagram feed and some of his work, I decided, hey, let's give it a go. Little history first. When I first started tying, I got myself a nice pedestal vise, and this was my first table. So as you can see, I've held on to it. I had all my tools, everything here, and I could basically put the vise on this, shove it in a drawer so that it was out of sight, out of mind, and nobody knew that I tied flies. Since then, I just got the glass top, so whenever I spill anything, I have a pedestal vise, and most of mine have glue all over them. I'm kind of sloppy when I tie, but I'm really excited about this and to give it a go again. But let's go ahead and open this up. We'll go ahead and give a cut on each side. Be careful, I don't know how deep the packing goes in here. Okay, let's put that knife away so I don't cut myself. Alright, let's start with the small object. This looks like something packed really well. Oh, cool. Nice glass. Whiskey glass, I'm thinking. Lone Bison. Okay, we've got a note and some containers. Let's check this out. So we got a certificate of authenticity. That's always good to have. Something about Lone Bison is he's part of the National Buffalo Foundation, and so this looks like this could be some buffalo fur or hair. That's pretty neat. Got some stickers, and of course it looks like some trays there, and I'll have to check out that note a little bit later. But let's get into the meat here. Oh gosh. Oh wow, that is beautiful. He said it would be unique, and it definitely is. Wow. We've got packing foam in there. It's packaged really nice. Look at that thing. So, one of the coolest features I've seen from watching some of his Instagram is that this is magnetic. And it is. So that I'm not going to have anything in my way. That is pretty cool. Wow. It even has a pad on the underside to protect your current desk. Let me look at that. Has a buffalo emblem right there. I like that these are removable so that they're out of sight, out of mind if I don't need them. I'm assuming this is for resins. Wow, that snaps right in. Got all my holders up there for tools. Look at the grain on that wood. I'm going to have to do some zoom in shots on this. This is really cool. I like that feature. So, man. This is just one sample of what he does. Head over to his Instagram page, check out the different styles. I love the different grains with the different colors. I'm not a wood nut, but different types of wood. I can see how this is going to tighten in the vise here. So I'm going to get a vise real quick and see how that fits. We just have a HMH vise right here. Slides right in. Pretty good. This is assuming like a chuck. So that tightens it, that loosens it. There we go. Oh yeah, tightened right up. That was easy. Nice and secure. I can't even get that to budge. So that gives me perfect. I always recommend a chair. I adjust my height with my chair. That's a perfect tying distance right there for me, perfect height. Let's give it a test. Let's see, we got bobbins. I'm just grabbing some stuff I have laying around here. See how it fits. So that will fit in there. That's really cool. That is beautiful. I like an open space, so I'll probably take these off. But for storage, putting my stuff, my resins or glues in there, and then this will go out of sight, out of mind, sliding into a drawer, or you can leave it on your bench like so. But I do like being able to remove those, giving me a little bit more space here on the bench, especially for afterwards vacuuming up. That is a beautiful piece of work. So I'm going to tie on this. We'll probably do a video in a few months after tying on a bunch, give you kind of a what I think after using it for a little bit, because it's always best to use a product before giving my opinion about it. But I love the design. I love the look. It's super pretty. I'm a big fan of these magnets. That is cool. Super, that is a super bonus feature. I love seeing it in person, and I don't know how good you can see the grain on this, but it's beautiful. So I'm going to get it all loaded up and start tying on it and give it a go, but make sure to check out his Instagram. It is at Lone Bison Fly, and check out some of his other designs, and feel free to reach out to him with any questions, because I'm kind of ecstatic. This is a beautiful piece of work. So thank you, Chris, and thank you, Lone Bison, and I can't wait to start tying on it and use it.